Hello everyone. In today's episode we're doing a rather large grocery haul. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, Healthy Tips and More. And I haven't done a grocery haul in a while because life has been doing that lifing. But today I have a healthy grocery haul and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me get everything set up so we can share what we purchased today. And first we got some bell peppers. The different colors. I always like to get the red, orange, and yellow. They taste really good. I got cabbage, some baby bella mushrooms, some little carrots. I got some shredded lettuce and some tomatoes. I got some yellow squash and I got some this green squash. I want to try the fresh one. I've never tried the fresh one of these. I've always got frozen. And then here I got some fajita chicken. And I got 2 bags of shrimp. Then here I got some hash browns that will be good at breakfast or snack time or whichever. And then I got some sharp cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to remove this and I'll put up the next one. I have a bag of nectarines. I bought 6 because they're in season now. I got a bag of small oranges. I purchased 4 mangoes. And I got me a little sushi. I got my husband some blueberry muffins. I got some tortillas. I got some pasta. You know I'm out of pasta. I got the curly pasta. And then I got 3 boxes of long grain rice. My husband loves this. I got a box of rice pilaf, Spanish rice, chicken and broccoli, or cheese and broccoli, I'm sorry, and then a chicken flavor. I also picked up some ketchup. Now always remember to read the labels on your ketchup because some of it, I like to read it and it has what it is. Tomatoes, ketchup, that's what I want. And then I got a mild picante sauce. I got 2 Alfredos, the creamy classic. And then this one is supposed to be, the roasted garlic Alfredo. I got a huge bottle of ragu spaghetti sauce. My husband loves spaghetti. I got some wheat spaghetti, 2 packages. 1, 2. I got some penny noodles. And then I got the regular egg noodles. Oh, and then I'm trying something different. I got the store brand nacho chips and the store brand lime chips. This all came from H-E-B. Now I did pretty good today because we have pretty much meat in the freezer. And I wanted to stock up what was in the pantry and some things in the refrigerator. So that is everything I purchased today in my haul. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I shared these items with you. And I'm going to be cooking most likely. I want to eat. I really have the taste for some fajitas tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Let me know what you think about my haul I did today. What items would you have purchased and what items you would purchase. And then which one would you like to try? And I will catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye.